Question number 1. Find the value of the unknown in each of the following rectangle. So we need to find the unknown. So this angle is 90 degree. So your B plus 90 plus 54 is equal to 180 degree. So from this you can easily find the value of B.
You can also do 90 minus 54, then you'll get A, and A is alternate to B, so
Yeah, exactly. Good. Similarly, part B में क्या करना है? This angle will be 90 degree. So from this triangle you can easily find the C angle. Okay, so this angle will also be equal to C. And now for D angle you will consider this triangle. So from that you can easily find the D angle. Acha, question number 2. Find the values of the unknown in each of the following parallelogram. Okay, this is parallelogram. So your A angle in parallelogram, the opposite angles will be equal to each other. So your A will be equal to 106. What about B?
48.
Yeah, that will be equal to 48. Good. Acha, part B. So in part B,
Can I tell?
hmm?
Can I tell?
Yes.
Does 2D equals 4C?
Okay, 2D is equal to 4C.
Yeah.
D will be equal to 2C. Then
I put a line, A and C in between them. Like I divided the parallelogram into two triangles.
mm,
And then I substituted 2D with 2C, and then I did 5C plus 2C plus 2C equals 180.
okay, this angle will also be equal to 5C, right?
Yes.
So what if we do it like this? 5C plus 2D plus 5C plus 4C is equal to 360 degree. So now we will substitute the D value. So this will be 5C. Instead of D, put this 2C value. So this will be 4C plus 5C plus 4C is equal to 360 degree. So this will be 18C will be equal to 360 degree. So your C will be equal to 360 divided by 18. That will be equal to 20. So if C is 20, then D will be equal to 40. 2 times 20 is equal to 40. Got it?
Yeah.
Acha. Question number 3. Find the values of the unknown in each of the following kites. So kites में क्या होता है? This side will be equal to this side. So ये आपका isosceles triangle बन जाता है. So it means that this angle will also be equal to A. So sum of all angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So your 180 will be equal to 100 plus A plus A. So this will be equal to 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80, is equal to 2A. So your A will be equal to 40. Okay, so over here this side will be equal to this side. So this angle will also be equal to 61. So इसी तरह ये कर लो. So from this you will get the value of B. Okay, now part B. So in this case we will need to find the angle C. Okay, and this is also Okay, first of all we will need to check that either this is a kite or not. So आपने क्या करना है, you will need to draw a line from B to D and you will check that either the diagonals make an angle of 90 degree or not, क्योंकि kite में आपका angle 90 degree बनता है. So yes, this make an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so over here this side will be equal to this side. Okay, so it means that my this angle will be equal to this angle. So this angle is 90 degree. So from we will need to consider this triangle. So 180 degree plus 90 plus unknown is equal to 180 degree is equal to 40 plus unknown plus 90. So your unknown angle will be equal to
90. Oh,
yes, this unknown angle will be equal to 50. So ये angle आपका as this is ये दोनों sides equal होंगे, so this angle will be equal to 50. अच्छा, अब नीचे consider करना है. So this angle is 90, this is 26, so this angle will be equal to यहाँ पे आप this angle is 26, this is unknown, this is 90. So आपका ये हो जाएगा 180 minus 26 minus 90. So your unknown angle will be equal to 64. So this angle will be equal to 64. So your C angle will be equal to 64 plus 50. That will be equal to 114. This will be your final answer. Okay. So in next class we will start the intermediate level question. Okay.